How to return Temu items. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can return items on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you happen to order something, you got the product, you're not satisfied with the product, you would like to return it or refund it, it's quite simple. So first of all, it depends upon what stage is it in. If it's already been past the refund policy, in that case you can't return the product. So for this, open up the Temu application and then just make sure that you're basically signed into your Temu account. Then after you have done that, you want to simply come to the U tab that you can find from the very bottom center of the screen. Now in this case, if you haven't logged in, just make sure to log into the account where you would like to see the details of. Then after, you just come to the login page over here. So let me just go ahead and then slide to complete the verification here. What you have to do is from there, you want to simply navigate to the Your Orders tab, as you can find here. So just come back, go to Your Orders button, and then you should be able to see a list of orders you have. If there's a certain order that has already been shipped, you can come to the Shipped tab. Then you can select that order and then you can choose to click on the Return button in order to get a refund with that. This way you can return Temu items. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.